Trust me, darling. Trust me, darling. It's been a loveless year. I'm a man of three fears: integrity, faith, and crocodile tears. Oh, trust me, darling. Trust me, darling. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna think. I wish I could erase it, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know that I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know you're free to go. All my dreams never mean one thing, just happiness lie in a diamond ring. Oh, I've been asking for problems, problems. Ooh, I wage my war on the world inside. I take my gun to the enemy side. Oh, I've been asking for problems, problems. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna think. I wish I could erase it, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know that I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know you're free to go. I can't breathe, I can't be, I can't be what you want me to be. Believe me, this one time, believe me. I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know that I'm a bad liar, bad liar. And now you know you're free to go. Believe me. I know I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I loved the most. And I learned to live half alive, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are, running around leaving scars, collecting a jar of hearts and tearing love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? I hear you're asking emptying your jar of hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back.